what can companies do? And I guess we're speaking specifically about manufacturing and engineering and technology, but what can they do to all work together to expose as many kids to as many different possibilities as possible?
They need to start having conversations together because it's going to be different for each community, I think, because there's communities that have specific manufacturing or engineering for certain types of products. So I think it just depends on what your community is, where it's located at, what your budget is, like what do you have for funding. But I do know most states have the MEPs. So a lot of these nonprofit organizations that are trying to do the work, it seems they're siloed from everything else. So we really need to just come together. A manufacturing day is coming up in October. I highly suggest communities start thinking, what can we do to really open up the community to our manufacturers? Because again, if you're not focused on the success of your manufacturing companies, your entire community is at risk economically. And I've come from a community like that. We had 2 manufacturers shut down in the late 90s, and it was devastating. We need to work together and find creative ways to do that. One for sure thing is opening up your facility for tours. I know I still, to this day, get excited when I go into a manufacturing company and see how they do things and meet the people that are working there. And if they have interns there or apprentices there, I like talking to them because it's like, okay, well, what do you like working here for? And do you plan on getting a job here when you're done? I like hearing those stories because it just pays homage to how good that company is with their employees.